important that when you go fishing to an area you've never fished before, make sure you pack every fly possible. You never know what they're gonna eat. So you just can match the hatch and keep trying what works. We've been catching them on a royal stimulator pattern in the morning, and now it's absolutely the opposite right now. They're onto all kinds of other naturals, and I just can't seem to match the hatch right now. So hopefully we'll find what they want to eat. Oh, there we go, there we go, there we go.
Good job.
Oh, it was almost on the countdown. Beautiful. Now, okay.
If you got to, you can work down around the.
Oh.
Ah,
And there we go.
gone.
Well, we know that fly works. That was a nice fish.
The setup I used on this trip for trout was a weighted forward floating line, and attached to that was a leader the same length as my rod. In this case, my rod was 9 feet long, so my leader was the same length. The leader tapered down to a 5X tippet, and attached to that was my dry fly. Crooks has a healthy population of pike, and the setup we used for them was an intermediate sinking line with 3 feet of 20-pound test monofilament. It was necessary to attach another 12 inches of knottable wire bite tippet to that, and then the fly.
My tip up as high as it's gonna go. Yeah. I just give him constant strain. He's fighting his heads down. Oh my God! Oh. Whew. Oh, that's a sigh of relief right there. In the net. That's what I like to see. Wow, what a beauty! All right, George, give me a second here. I'm gonna get off my rock here. Let me take a look at this beautiful fish. Oh my gosh. Oh, wow, I am speechless. This is absolute treat. What a treat. Let's put my glove on here. Let's take a look at this beauty. This one that made me work pretty hard. Come here, sweetheart. Wet my hands. Oh my gosh. Oh, look at that. Look at this beautiful fish. And it's a nice buck. Look at that kype on the jaw. See that hook? It means it's a male. I'm just gonna let him breathe. And this is exactly what I was hoping for. This made my whole trip right here. There we go. Taking my 5-pound Labrador brook trout. Thank you very much, beautiful.
You were gonna kiss it.
I was gonna kiss it. Mwah. Okay, here we go. Thank you, Crooks Lake Lodge. And thank you, George.
Thank you. Pleasure.
That just made my trip right there.